guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is not slime, this is a rag. Because we are doing a messy thing, which is ink projects. You can make all these items. A bee, I pointed to the wrong thing. A bee, a cat, a snail, a snake, and a snail, 2 ladybugs, monkeys, caterpillars, birdies, squirrels. Oh my god, there's so many different things, and also mushrooms. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you can open the ink. Okay. Okay, so here's the front cover page. Okay, let's turn it. Here are some things that I done. Okay, a mushroom. I'll do a mushroom. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is take some ink, put it on your finger, make a dot. See it? Let's wipe that ink off with my rag. Okay, now I'm gonna let that dry. Okay. Now let's take our black marker. Okay. Now let's just do that. Let's color that in. Well, we don't have to. Now let's make some little polka dots on the mushroom. That look good, like the copy? If you like my mushroom, leave a comment. Let's see what else I have. Some bees. I was trying to count these lines, but well, you guys weren't here. Oh, this is my favorite page of all time.
What do you make on this page?
A dog. Finish mine. Put a little smile. 2 dots. One, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 legs. Now okay. Now let's do another ear. There. Now the dog can hear. Little nose, and lastly, can't forget a tail. Now this dog has a tail, complete. Okay, so let's do another dog. I wish I could do full pink. I got a good idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Yeah. This girl has a little bit. So cute, puppy. Yeah, this one was my pinky. One, 2, 3, 4. Hey, let's make a little tail. Color that in. Now the ears how will the dog heal without an ear? Huh? So let's put his ears. Great. There is my puppy. Let's put this away. There we go. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. So if you subscribe to my channel, I'll make more videos and more videos. Okay, so bye.